Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start a fantasy league on Sleeper. So, if you want to start a fantasy league on Sleeper, first of all, open Sleeper application and log into your account using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see this page. Now in order to start a fantasy league on Sleeper, you'll have to basically choose the sports and click on play. Now, I will click on create league button here, and in this, you'll have to enter your league's name. Click on next. Now, on this page, you'll have to choose your league type, whether you want it to be redraft, keeper, or dynasty. So I will choose redraft and click on next. Now you can choose the league size here. So I will choose this to be 12 and click on next. Now you can choose what kind of draft you want. So the duration of a snake draft is moderate. Linear draft is also moderate, and the auction draft is long. So I will advise you to choose a snake draft, but you can always choose according to your preference and click on done. Now, after you click on done, you will see your league page appearing just right here. As you can see, you can click on plus invite friends to join. Click on allow to allow your contacts so you can invite them. Now, you can click on this copy button just after this code. Share this code with your friends, and when they click on this button, they'll be easily able to join your fantasy league on Sleeper. Now you have all the settings for this league. Here, you'll have this draft board appearing. The teams, you can always invite friends to join. You have this league settings at the bottom. You can click on the edit icon just after general settings and edit the profile icon of this league. Edit the league name. You can choose the league type, teams, lineup type, waiver order, and all the settings that will be available for a league, and click on save button. After you do this, you would have successfully started a fantasy league on Sleeper. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.